How's it going, everybody? On today's video, I will be installing some Greenlane Offroad ditch light brackets. I will be changing out my Cali Raised LED brackets for these guys here. So let's get to it. So here you can see we only have 2 bolts each side, and then you will need a 12mm to remove these guys. So on the Greenlane Offroad ditch light brackets, if you don't have any at all, you actually only need to remove 1 bolt. That way it makes it easier for the hood, and then you don't have to worry about it getting out of alignment. So let's get to removing the lights first, actually, and then we will get to removing the ditch light brackets for the new ones. Wanted to give you guys a look here. This is the Cali Raised bracket. Being made out of steel, it is prone to rusting, obviously, when powder coat wears off, and that is what happened here. The Greenlane Offroad ones are just made out of aluminum, so even if the powder coat does chip, you don't have to worry about any rusting. There you go. It is that simple. So let's get on to the next side. So there they are. Just that easy to put them on, and you're good to mount up your lights. For me, I got the Heretic Studio Lights all around, got the pods. I also got the fog amber lights, and then a 20-inch amber light bar from them also. But yeah, super easy to install these guys. Like I said, just remove the 1 bolt closest to the windshield, then pop it on, screw it back on, and you are good to go. right, so there's the finished product. Lights are all on nice. Here's the other one. Nice low profile looking. And yeah, just that easy. There you go. All right, everybody, so that is it for this video. Super easy install, as it's just the one bolt for the Greenlane Offroad ditch light brackets, and then put the bracket on, retighten on the bolt, and then add your lights and you're good to go. I will post a link down below for Greenlane Offroad, and I will also post a link for Heretic Studio Lights down below too if you're interested in them. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel too, as that'll help me out a bunch. And yeah, anyways, hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll catch you next time.